the chemistry behind marinades. Tenderizing versus flavoring. Welcome to Chef Science. Today, we're diving into the chemistry behind marinades. What makes them work? How do they tenderize? And most importantly, how do they infuse flavor into your favorite cuts of meat? Let's break it down. What is a marinade? A marinade is more than just a sauce. It's a blend of acid, fat, salt, and flavorings designed to enhance the texture, bioavailability, and taste of your food. Think of it as a science experiment in a bowl. The chemistry of tenderizing. Let's talk tenderizing. Many marinades use acidic ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or yogurt. These acids break down proteins in the meat, softening tough connective tissue. But here's the catch. Too much acid or marinating for too long can turn your meat mushy. Balance is key. Marinate chicken for 2 to 6 hours, beef for 12 to 24 hours, and delicate fish for no more than 30 minutes. The role of flavoring. Now let's talk flavor. Ingredients like garlic, ginger, soy sauce, or honey don't just sit on the surface. They penetrate the meat. Salt is especially crucial. It dissolves muscle fibers, helping moisture and flavor infuse deeply. That's why brining works so well. The flavor carrier, fats, like olive oil or coconut milk, act as carriers for aromatic compounds. They help dissolve fat-soluble flavors from herbs and spices, ensuring even distribution across the meat. Plus, they create a protective layer, keeping your meat moist during cooking. The science of time. Timing is everything. Marinades work best when they've had enough time to penetrate, but not so long that they overwhelm the meat's natural flavor. Here's a quick guide. Fish and seafood, 15 to 30 minutes. Chicken, 2 to 6 hours. Beef and lamb, 12 to 24 hours. Tofu and vegetables, 30 minutes to 2 hours. Myth busting. Let's bust some myths. Marinades don't penetrate deeply. That's true. Most only go about a few millimeters deep, so slicing or scoring your meat can help. Alcohol-based marinades tenderize better. Not really. Alcohol can toughen proteins if overused. You need lots of oil for a good marinade. False. A little goes a long way. Find a recipe in the description. Want to try an amazing marinade for your next dish? Check out the recipe I've linked in the description below. It's perfect for chicken, beef, or even tofu. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. And there you have it. The chemistry of marinades is all about balance and understanding how acids, salts, fats, and aromatics work together. Next time you marinate, think like a scientist and a chef.
In the TV show.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures with Chef Science. See you next time.